Contract law in Indonesia, void and its consequences based on Supreme Court decisions. Contract law in Indonesia, void and its consequences based on Supreme Court decisions. Contract law in Indonesia is regulated in the Civil Code, KUHPerdata. A valid contract must meet objective and subjective requirements. Here are some important aspects related to void contracts and their consequences based on Supreme Court decisions. Void contract. Objective requirements. A contract is void by law if it does not meet objective requirements, such as agreement of the parties, certain matters, and lawful causes. Subjective requirements. A contract is void by law if it does not meet subjective requirements, such as the capacity of the parties. Consequences of void contract. Return to condition before contract. If the contract is void, the parties must return to the condition before the contract was made. Compensation. If one party causes the contract to be void, the other party may request compensation. Supreme Court Decision. Supreme Court Decision Number 3335 KPDT 2003. An agreement is null and void if it does not meet the requirements of the parties' agreement. Supreme Court Decision Number 406 KPDT 2007. An agreement is null and void if the object or achievement is not certain. Legal implication. Importance of agreement of the parties. Agreement of the parties is very important in making a valid agreement. Importance of clarity of object or achievement. Clarity of object or achievement is very important in making a valid agreement. By understanding the law of agreements in Indonesia and its consequences based on the Supreme Court's decision, the parties can make a valid and effective agreement and avoid potential disputes in the future.